Hello and welcome, welcome. David Bradley in the box room here. Just going to shuffle away the Frankenstein joystick. Because what do I have to do at this moment but test a quick shot joystick. These were never the best, but far from the worst. They're okay. But this came with a whole bunch of stuff, including the 1581. And it is hard to know if something is working if you don't test it. So we will take this 64. We will plug in Jumpman Jr. Oh man. We'll turn on the monitor. And we will find down here the power cord. By the way, I have noticed, I was looking at some videos as I was posting them, and indeed there are times I do not speak very loudly. And even with the microphones, there is trouble. So I moved this microphone closer to my mouth. I have this other one down here. But above all, I will strive to speak up. Now, that might be a little loud. Now, the one thing with the Commodore 64 and testing a joystick is, well, which port does it go in? I'm going to guess, in this case, that it is port number 2. So I'm going to put in 1 player, and the speed I will put at 4. And we'll know in a second if I have the right port. I may not. I do seem to. Okay, so we're moving up, we're moving down, we're moving here, we're moving there, and we can get out of the way, and we can jump. We can go get this, and then we'll wait for a second till this shoots, and then we'll climb. Oh, we jumped. Beautiful. I jumped right off the side of the screen. Beautiful. Okay. I jumped off the side of the screen again. What did I do that for? Maybe I didn't need to. You know what? I don't need to go here, but I'm going to go here and jump. Is that a rope that goes only up? Oh, no. Maybe that's a rope that goes down. Maybe this is a rope that goes up. Maybe that's a rope that goes up. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay, I guess I was not pushing up at the time. Did I press the fire button? And that one will only go down, so I will wait. I will jump. I will go here, I will go there. We have completed the first level. So far, this joystick doesn't seem, in fact, seem to be just dandy. It is my playing skills that are lacking. And of course, yes, there is fire. Oh no. Sometimes you get lucky and it falls and there, it caught one of the things on the way down. Yes, I'm as good as I ever was. Okay. Oh, okay, we'll wait for this guy to shoot. And then we'll go up, we'll get this. There will be fire. I will jump over it. I will come down the ladder. I don't know what to do now. I'm kind of hoping the fire goes away. But it's not going away. I will jump over here. The fire's not going away. Ah! You'd think it would go away soon. It's not going away. Well, I guess I'll go over here. Fire! There's fire! Oh, this is going to be dicey. Right in the fire. Beautiful. Beautiful. Lovely. Well, that could have gone better. Now, the other thing about this joystick is, I'm going to try this out. It has suction cups on the bottom. I'm going to try. Yeah, they do nothing. I suppose maybe with water they might. I'm going to put this, though, on the table here. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? I'm going to do speed 2. It should be faster, I believe. I didn't check the other fire button. Yeah, this is faster. Oh dear. Well. You know what? I don't like it on the desk, but I'm going to check the other fire button. Oh, you know what? Is there a switch? What's going on here? Okay, that's the one on the top. I can move in a second. There we go. Haha. Oh no! I have found a deficiency. Sometimes they did have switches. Oh man, that was tight. That kind of guy gonna come get me again. I gotta jump. Yum, yum, yum. Ah! Got me. So. Oh dear. Oh, jump too soon. Alright. Oh, wait. I will jump. I will get this. I will get this. And we'll move on. But it does seem, and I will try this more. It does seem that this works fine. Oh! It jumped. Into the fire. It jumped once. That is not encouraging. Yeah. Now that's funny. Because when I used it in the game it didn't do it, but when I did it not to put in the high score, it worked. 1, 3. We'll do 3. Maybe I just need to push on it later. Okay, that one. Okay, now that's weird. Oh, okay, you have to, okay, wait a second here. That was tricky. Okay, you know what? It is working. It's just in this game, you have to be going in a direction. There we go, we'll die. Okay, it's working. See, when you have your thumb on the thing at the top, which I find better, it's easier. Die. It's easier to do at the same time. because you're already... Oh, jeez. Great. I'm really great at this. Oh. Yeah, it's easier. Anyway, what am I trying to say? And how did I figure this out, that this was working? Watch this. Here I'm on the high score, which is getting lower and lower. If I push this, it acknowledges it. And it acknowledges it. It acknowledges it. Well, it's like, what is going on here? So, anyway, this joystick is working. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put a little wee check mark on the bottom. Alright, so this is a quick shot. Without water, at minimum, the bottom feet are mighty useless. I suppose I could try them with water, but I don't know if this table would like it anyway. But I you know what? Yeah. So there it is. A button on the top, a button on the base, and it's all good. So I am going to, with some of other things, I'm going to take this downstairs so I know it's been tested. I should, of course, start a box or boxes of things that have been tested. And just because I can and I'm here, I'm going to take the Frankenstein joystick and plug it in. I'm going to do one, and I'm going to try one. Now, I don't remember which way this is supposed to be, but I'll find out in a hurry. Okay, it's opposite to what I'm doing. But see, it gets kind of fast, and I'm dead. I'm not in a great position here. Not in a great position. Oh! Yeah, that went well. Okay. Why am I not doing it? I don't want to die again. I do not suggest the fastest speed if you are not really... And this joystick, this is the Frankenstein, probably school project. Oh my god. I'm coming back. Oh! Long way to fall. Oh, there we go. It's a great game, but I can't do it on the fastest speed. So, that is good. One working joystick. Alright, so, yeah. And of course, the Frankenstein joystick. Off we go. So, I think at this moment, I will unplug the Frankenstein joystick. And, yeah, what is this? Water damage seems okay. I need to put that in a more careful position. I do. Alright, well, I think that is it for this moment. The testing of a joystick. Oh, there's the glasses I couldn't find. Good, I brought other glasses in here. I have found them. Okay, so thanks for coming. Have a lovely, lovely, lovely day. We'll see you again soon. We shall, indeed. Bye for now.